Happy Friday, South Georgia. We are tracking some thunderstorms that are currently moving out of Tennessee and Alabama and into North Georgia. Do those come our way this afternoon or evening? No, they will not, but they will impact the northern part of the state, even towards the gnat line. There is a marginal risk for severe thunderstorms afternoon. The primary threat will be damaging winds and hail, large hail. So if you're heading north, you may run into some strong thunderstorms, but here we got no worries. We do have some clouds to contend with this morning. Low clouds and maybe a little bit of mist drizzle mixing in there as well, maybe a patch of fog. But after that, the sunshine is going to take over this afternoon. You can see as we turn perfectly sunny, which will allow those temperatures to go sky high. The warmest day of the year. We'll kind of hang out in the upper 80s here in Albany, but our southern communities, we do think you'll touch 90 in many of those communities along the Florida state line. We're looking at you, Valdosta. Winds will be light out of the southwest, about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Your evening planner, warm to mild, 85 to 73. And in the overnights, another mild start at 65 with partly to mostly cloudy skies, maybe a little patchy fog developing again. All right, let's talk about this high bubbling it in here, bringing in the heat this afternoon. Again, right along the Florida state line into the Florida Panhandle and the peninsula. There'll be a lot of 90-degree temperatures. Inland. Now, if you're on the East Coast, you'll probably get a little bit of a sea breeze, so keep you in the 80s, but it is going to be a scorcher here for this early in the season. Let's talk about the front moving south, and it comes in tomorrow, kind of goes right towards us and stalls. And so then it acts as a focusing mechanism for showers and storms. You can see them gathering here in the afternoon to our west, and even a couple here in Albany. Now, this model has the bulk of it moving through this in the evening hours tomorrow. We'll keep an eye on that, but I think the best chance of rain will be in the afternoon. Right now, calling for scattered hit, miss showers and storms. But here's low pressure poised along this stalled front, and this wave of low pressure will bring a better chance of rain overall to our area, mostly in the form of showers. I think the cooler air will already bleed in here by Sunday, and so with it, the showers will linger into the afternoon and evening hours, and then we dry out and cool down, drop in humidity and drop in temperatures as that low kicks out, and some chilly air actually comes in by Tuesday morning. We'll be down in the mid-40s, but let's talk about tomorrow, because you got plans tomorrow. Most of the plans should be fine until around 4 o'clock. Now, the farther south you go, the less chance of rain you'll have. Right now, we're calling for about a 40% chance here in Albany, about 50 to 60% as we go towards Highway 280. 65 to 85 will be the temperature. Rain chance 40%, back end loaded. 60% chance of showers, mostly in the afternoon. There might be a few in the morning, but mostly in the afternoon, 63 to 71. Right now, the event looks pretty light. Again, underneath the thunderstorm, you could get over a half an inch, but most areas will get less than a half an inch through this entire period. Cooler, less humid on Monday as we start clearing trend, 52 to 70. Only 70. And by the way, it'll only be 71 on Sunday, so we'll be mostly in the 60s. You're going to need a jacket compared to where we are right now, near 90 degrees. And then a chilly start on Tuesday, ending up mild with tons of sun. We'll talk more about that and the rest of your forecast on this Friday, a 70th anniversary Friday. Join us on Today in Georgia from 5 to 7 a.m. We'll see you then.